Hey guys, this is a preview of my Sun, Earth, and Moon Systems digital interactive notebook. So there is a student version and an answer key version, and you can change the cover. So if you right click and go to apply layout, there are 4 different cover options to choose from. There's the sciencey one and then 3 different stars. So the skills that this notebook covers are the 2 fifth grade skills, the day and night cycle, and the characteristics of the sun, earth, and moon, and then the 4th grade patterns teak and the 3rd grade planets teak. So we start out with the planets, a mnemonic device to remember them, and a video, a model of the planets and the benefits and limitations of that model, and then a couple of videos that show the solar system. Then there is a slide with some characteristics for each of the planets. And then we go into the sun, earth, and moon. So you can build a sun, earth, and moon model and talk about the benefits and limitations. Do the characteristics of the sun, the earth, and the moon. And then sort the characteristics of the sun, earth, and moon. And finally do a 3 circle Venn diagram of the sun, earth, and moon characteristics. Then there is a slide for moon phases, and the students are building this model. So on the student view, they're dragging the moons with the different phases and the labels to show where the different moon phases go. And with this model, you can also see how half of the moon is always lit by the sun. So then we go into day and night cycle. There's some GIFs that show rotation versus revolution. And then what the day and night model looks like. And the students, again, build their own day and night model and talk about the benefits and limitations. Then there is a slide on the movement of the sun across the sky and how it appears to move. And the students label east and west, and then they show where the sun would be at that time of day. Then there's a slide on shadows. So there are some pictures of shadows at different times of the day, and the students are plotting on the graph. So they plot these pieces, these little dots, and then they use the curve tool up here in the line. You go to curve, and then you can go from dot to dot and make the curve on the graph. And on the last dot, you just need to click twice to make it into that line. Then there is one more slide on seasons. And again, there's a GIF showing the seasons. And the students are building this model showing when is winter in the northern hemisphere and when is summer in the southern hemisphere and vice versa. And then finally, it ends with a glossary. So that is the preview for my Sun, Earth, and Moon Systems digital interactive notebook.